Today, how have things changed in sales from your perspective? And you're working with hundreds of different fields and students that come into Easton University. How have things changed in sales since the pandemic? Because we hear a lot of horror stories about customer service and about the fact that somebody walks into a showroom of any kind, and because there's a shortage of merchandise right now, regardless of what you're selling, whether it be boats or RVs or cars or suits or whatever the case might be, people point right to the price. Okay, do you want it or do you not want it? And it seems like we've lost the art of sales.
And I think about that almost daily. And I feel like it's a bit of both of this. I think we've lost the art of sales, but I also think, Jim, that the pandemic has shined a light on some bad processes out there that before customers just dealt with. So I don't know if we were good. I don't think we were ever great. I don't know if we were good before or if we've kind of always been the same way and we've changed. But what I do know is this. Because of the pandemic, because of supply shortages, not having a process, whether it's my process, there's a ton of people out there. Go to the bookstore. There's thousands of books. Find a process that works for you, that resonates with you, and find a process that is designed around that consumer assume that they know everything that you know or possibly more about your products, and have a process that's going to help them. You're going to do just fine. But after the pandemic, people that don't have a process, they're not being successful right now because to your point, the customer has less patience, and then also the customer has more power than ever before. They can go right to some of my followers have more followers than me, right? And the last thing you want to do is upset Jim, who has 1.4 million followers.
That's very true.
Most of them in the Metroplex where you live.
That's right.
That's not a good situation.
No, it's not. No, it's not.